Friday Night Football Fever Game of the Week, sponsored by Drive Hydration Spa.
Under our game of the week now, which might feel familiar because it is Marlin and Bosqueville met in the first round of the playoffs last season. It was the Bulldogs of Bosqueville who won in a 72-8 rout, and now the two teams meet again in the very same round over in Robinson. The Battle of the Bulldogs. Oh, that is a great mascot. Not a lot that you see at the high school level. That's elite. First quarter, no score. Desmond Woodson Jr. passed to Zamorian Lofton for the Marlin touchdown. Bulldogs of Marlin go up 6-0. Later in the first, same score, Newt Shornack uses his legs, finds space, but fumbles the ball. Justin Moore, though, will recover it. So it all works out for Bosqueville in the end, and the Bulldogs of Bosqueville take the 7-6 lead. This is going to get really old after a while. Marlin back on the offensive. Woodson out to Trajan Butler, and he's got open field for a touchdown to go up 12-7. Marlin led 26-7 at the half, and the Bulldogs of Marlin, last time I promise, get revenge, 54-20, the final. Okay.